Our next guest is a very strong critic of Elon Musk, the guy who runs Tesla. He put out this headline, opinion, now would be the time for Apple to buy Tesla and kick Musk out of the driver's seat. The co-author of that piece, Jeremy Owens, MarketWatch technology editor, San Francisco bureau chief to boot. Do you have some inside knowledge that the rest of us don't have, that Apple is indeed going to buy Tesla?
I do not. In fact, this is an idea that's been kicked around for years now. And, you know, it's fanciful. Even at this point, it's very fanciful. I just see the logic behind it for the first time because of where we're at. Tesla has shown that it's not good at the things Apple is good at. Apple has shown that it wants to be in the car business. So it seems like a perfect marriage for once. It's just a question of could it get done? And I don't believe it's going to, but it does make sense.
Do you think that Musk has to leave Tesla, or at least the top job at Tesla, before either the stock or the company can really get going?
I think Tesla and the board need to plan for an eventual Elon Musk departure, whether he's going to leave or not. The SEC could easily come down and ban him from running a public company. And to do the job of a Tesla board member, you have to be planning right now for what's going to happen if we don't have Elon Musk in charge. And Elon Musk has set that company up where it can't run without him in charge right now. And so you've got to, as a board, as a company, what's going to happen if Elon Musk is gone, either temporarily or permanently? You have to plan for that right now.
You got it. Okay. I know you cover technology in general. I want you to talk about Amazon today, because the stock has reached over well, look at that. $2,018 per share as we speak. I think it's in the neighborhood of $30 away from being valued as a $1 trillion company. It just keeps on going up. Can you see anything on the horizon that would upset Amazon's wild stock price rise?
Not really. With the way they're showing record profits and the other businesses they're getting into, I mean, that's really, people look at Amazon as this e-commerce business that they buy their toilet paper from. But there are so many other businesses within that, especially Amazon Web Services, AWS, that's extremely profitable and growing fast. And then they're selling online advertisements. That's a few $1 billion a year. They've got subscriptions. Amazon Prime is a good thing. They have a lot of other businesses in there and a lot of growth opportunities both within those businesses and elsewhere.
By the way, with the stock price right where it is now, we are $16 billion away from Amazon being worth $1 trillion. So we're awfully close.
That's right. It needs to be 2050 and some change, I believe, Stuart.
That's right. 2050 and some change. So, last question. Here's your chance. Do we hit the $1 trillion mark today?
Right.
I don't know. It certainly looks like it. It's already up $25 and needs to go up another $25 or up $20. It was up at 2023, I believe, earlier. And, you know, I didn't think Apple was going to hit it the day it was because it needed to keep going higher. But then people bought and sent it higher. So I think it's definitely a possibility we'll see it today. It would not shock me at all. And then I think we'll definitely see it at some point this week as long as it continues to go along this route.
What a ride.
It's been incredible.
What a ride. Unbelievable. Jeremy, thanks for joining us again. We will see you soon. Thank you.